Hello. This video shows a sectional knit with finely embossed horizontal tracks against a stockinette stitch background. Here in the sample, there are 2 embossed tracks and they are knitted equally in 2 rows each. There are 4 rows in the stockinette stitch part. You can change the number of embossed tracks or the number of rows in the stockinette stitch part, according to the application. The sample's design plan consists of 2 loops and 8 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side. After the edge stitch, we work with loops in groups of 2. With the treat in front, pull up a long loop back to front between the first and second stitches, and purl the first one. Knit the second. Again, pull up a long loop, purl 1, and knit 1. Pull up a long loop, purl 1, and knit 1. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Row 2 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1 and knit 2 together through the front. Again, purl 1 and knit 2 together. Again, purl 1 and knit 2 together. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Repeat the first and the second rows to get the second embossed path. Then knit 4 rows of stockinette stitch by knitting all the loops on the right side, and purling all the loops on the wrong one. I have presented you with a gentle knit with a delicate and elegant texture. It is appropriate for any yarn and any season and will make any garment knitted with it look luxurious. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.